Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can run regular expressions in Python. In this specific video I'm not gonna talk about like what are regular expressions. I'm just gonna show you how you can run those regular expressions in Python. I will make a separate video for regular expression, but in this specific video I'm just gonna talk about RE module. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get into the coding. So to deal with, we have a module which is called as RE. So we need to import that module, and it is just this easy. Now let's take a pattern uh, to which you want to match your string, and let's take okay. So you want anything that starts with an R, and let's take starts with the capital R, and let's take 4 digits and end with the N. Okay, and with n. And now, yeah, now what you need to do is you need to also give the text or the search string in which you need to find that pattern. So let's make it let's, or you can do anything like help. Let's do it. So how can you check whether this text has this pattern or not? So what you can do is you can get ret is equal to re.match, and in this I'm gonna give the pattern and I'm gonna give the text. Okay, so I have not done this cell pattern. Now if ret equal to, if ret print match, else print no match. Okay, now let's run it, and it is showing match. What it is doing, that it is applying, it is finding this pattern in this text. So this was the first function in regular expression that you can use. Now there is another function which is similar to match function. uh, what I am going to do is, let's take just simple string. Let's take pattern is equal to name, and what you are going to do is you are going to text, you are going to make a multi-line string, and you are going to make a multi-line string, and you can write anything. uh, my name is Gagan, means sky. Okay, or let's take my name means sky. Yeah, I am Gagan, my name means sky. Let's take this example, and I am going to run this again, and as you can see it should be true. This value should be true. Oh yeah, uh, I forgot to mention that it returns true if the pattern is matched in the text, and it returns false. So that's why these conditions are able to work. So it should work because there is name in this text and the pattern is also name. So but you will see a different result. So now let's just copy it, and it is showing no match, and the reason is that it is not considering the second line of the text. So if you have a multi-line string, then it will only work if your pattern is in the first line. So in these conditions we use search function. Now if we do this again, it is going to show match. Suppose you want to uh, you want to get the number of times your pattern matched in the text. So how you are going to do? Now let's take this again, and this again. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change this to my name is Karan. Okay, so if I run this, and it will only show that yeah, we have a match, but it doesn't show like we have name in two places or how many times our pattern has occurred in the string. So what you can do is you can use find all, and this function return a list in which it is going to show uh, yeah, let's print return. You will see what it is going to show, and it is showing like there are two names. If there is no match, then it will return an empty list. Now the last thing that I want to tell you, that I mostly use, like, these are the functions that I mostly use when I work with the what do you say, regular expression. So the last thing that I want to tell you is r it's re dot ignore case. Now if you have a name like this, it will also find it. So now it is not, it is ignoring the case. So here all the letters are in the small case, and here the n is in the capital letter, n is a capital letter, but it is but still it is finding that thing. And if you remove this, it will only give name. So as this is the result here. Also you can do multiple things, like you can split the text on the basis of what do you say, the spaces and things like that, but I'm not going to get into that because there are multiple methods by which you can split a text, like using the string class or things like that. So this was it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.